By using the screen history feature in Reflection, you can create slide decks for training and other instructional purposes. In this video, we'll create a workflow sequence by capturing a series of host screens as we navigate through them. First, we'll display the screen history to choose the screens we want. As you navigate through the screens, note that a thumbnail for each screen appears in the screen history pane. From the Screen History toolbar, we'll export the screens we want. We'll select each of the screens we want to include, then we choose the type of document. In this example, we'll choose Presentation to create a PowerPoint deck of the screen images we selected. After we add a few notes to the screen, we're done.